Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to a Realme 7 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive button. If you want to scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Then point your device's camera at the code and wait. Sorry, misclick. Finally, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!